Hello, myself Sony Artificial Intelligence News Reader made by Shweta Danane from India for Elixir Productions YouTube channel. Here are the latest updates on elections. Haryana Assembly election. The Bharatiya Janata Party BJP is seeking a third straight term in power while the Congress is eyeing a comeback. Haryana will witness a high-stakes multi-cornered election battle as 2.03 crore voters will vote in a single-phase assembly poll on Saturday. The Bharatiya Janata Party BJP is seeking a third straight term in power while the Congress is eyeing a comeback. Regional parties like Dushyanth Chautala's Janayak Janta Party JJP, which shared power with the BJP from 2019 to early 2024, and Arvind Kejriwal-led Aam Aadmi Party AAP will hope to play the kingmaker's role. Also in fray is Indian National Lok Dal INLD, led by four-time Chief Minister Prakash Chautala. The BJP is eyeing a hat-trick of victories in Haryana, which elects 90 members to its assembly. In 2014, the Saffron Party, riding on the Modi wave, had formed government in Haryana for the first time by winning 47 seats. The party picked Manohar Lal Khattar, a Punjabi Hindu, as the chief minister to govern the state dominated by Jats. In 2019, the Haryana Assembly elections resulted in a hung assembly. The BJP with 40 seats formed a coalition with JJP led by Dushyanth Chautala, who was appointed as Deputy CM. On March 12, Khattar resigned as chief minister in a surprise move by the BJP.